Hey, what's up? It's me, Jeremy, and welcome to Channel Memberships. Now, before I begin, let me make this crystal clear. I will still be posting all of my regular content for free. Magic videos, card cheating videos, tutorials, unboxings, playing cards, vlogs, all of that still free. Nothing changes. So, what is channel memberships? Well, becoming a channel member is the easiest way to support the channel, make new friends around the world, and dive deeper into the art of magic with me through my exclusive tutorials. There are 3 levels in total, and let's start with level 1. I call it Team Whaat. You will unlock loyalty badges that will evolve over time and custom emojis that only members can use. The more members we have, the more emojis we unlock from YouTube. Your badge will always pop up first, so I'll always reply to your comments and questions first. You'll never get left out. You'll also get behind-the-scenes access to photos and updates you won't see anywhere else. And on top of that, you actually get to shape this channel by voting in members-only polls. All this for just $1.99. Think of this as buying me coffee once a month and getting some fun perks and supporting the channel you love. Next up, level 2, Team Whaat. You see, level 1 is called Team Whaat, and level 2 is called Team Whaat. You see where I'm going with this? At level 2, you will get everything from level 1, plus early access to all of my videos. That's right, every single video. Magic, card cheating, tutorials, unboxing, playing cards, and even my vlogs. You get to see it first. On top of that, you will unlock members-only short-form videos that I won't be posting anywhere else. And just when you think that's it, well, there's more. It comes in the form of my exclusive tutorials. In these tutorials, you will unlock sleights and routines that I have built my career on. Not only that, you will discover inner secrets of timing, misdirection, pacing, plus psychology and motivation behind every move. These will turn your casual tricks into a real magic performance. Even if you never perform, you will walk away with a deeper appreciation of the art and precision behind professional magic. Level 2 launches at just $5.99. Join now to lock in the founder's rate because this library of tutorials is only going to grow. Level 3, Team Whaat? Get it? Get it? Okay, level 3. You get everything from levels 1 and 2. Your badges, emojis, early access to my videos, members-only shorts, and exclusive tutorials. This is where you get premium access. First, we will connect on social media, which means we can chat. With the arsenal of knowledge you're building from level 2, you can now send me videos on what you're working on, and I'll give you pro-level feedback to help you improve faster and flatten your learning curve. You'll also get the chance to request personal shout-outs, your birthday, milestones, or even your first gig. Think of this as a members-only cameo. And since I'm always traveling, there is a chance that we will cross paths. Being a member at any level means that you will know when I'm in your country, which means we can organize a global meetup and even collaborate on a video together. I cannot wait for this. On top of that, at level 3, you will get members-only discounts and early access to my merch. All this at just $19.99. This is the level for people who are serious about magic, ready to take it further with the tools, feedback, and mentorship to grow like a pro. You've seen the magic, you know the vibe. Now, pick a level. Any level. What?